Hey, girls and boys, it is Mr. McAndrew, the math coach. Very excited to be with you as always. Without further ado, let's play Mighty 10. So, I have 6 cards out here. I want you to find any matches that you can find that when you put them together makes 10. Okay? Market set, go. You see any yet? I see a couple. All right, pause the video if you want some more time. There's 2 sets. Okay, that means there's 4 cards that we can use. So one that I see is I see a 4 here. So if there's a 4, I'm looking for 6 more, right? 4 and 6 makes 10. So I see a 4 here and a 6 here. So those go together to make 10. 6 and 4 makes 10. Okay? All right, do you see another one? There should be one more. One more, one more. Do you see, let's see, I see a 1. Is there a 9? No. I see a 3. Is there a 7? Yes. So 7 and 3 makes 10. Okay? Um, and then we have 8 and 1, but 8 and 1, so 8 and 1 more makes 9, not 10. So those don't work because those don't make a 10. Okay? All right. Let's try one more. Let's see. I've got this. Let me grab this and this and I think this. All right, so I'm going to put these out. All right, so see what you see. Now, there's no dots on this card. That means it's 0. Okay, so see what you see. See what you can find. Oh, I see one match. I think there might be 3 matches here. See what you can find. Can you find 3? 3 matches? Let's see what you have. Do you see that there's 10 here and 0 here? So 10 and 0 makes 10. All right, good. Um, what does this go with? This looks like, let me turn it around. This looks like 5 and 4, which is 9. Do it this way. 5 and 4 makes 9. So I need one more. There's one right there, so I can put those together to make 10. Right, there's a match right there. And let's see, do these match up? I have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, 8 and 2 makes a match. Okay, so if I know that 8 and 2 is 10, then I also know that 10 minus 2 is 8. And 10 minus 8 is 2. And 2 plus 8 is 10. We know all of that, okay? So, awesome possum. Let me get your math packet out, all right? It should look like this. It'll say Tuesday word problem. Okay, so I'm going to read it to you, then I want you to complete it. I'm not going to do it for you first today. Okay? All right, it says Charlotte earned $13 for doing chores. If she spends $3 on gum, how much money does she have now? Okay? So you can use your double 10 frame. There's space over here. I want you to solve this. I want you to write your number sentence. Okay? And then come back when you're done with that. So pause the video right now and then come back when you're done with the whole thing. All right, good luck. All right, so you should have completed this. Um, did anybody get $10 as an answer? That's what I got. But I want to double check my work. So I'm going to put little money signs in here. So she had $13. That's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's $10. But she had $13. And then she spent $3 on gum. So we have to get rid of 1, 2, 3. And we're still left with $10. So $13 minus $3 still gives you $10. Okay, so my number sentence would be 10 take away 3 equals, no, not 10, sorry, 13. We started with 13. We took away 3. Charlotte spent $3, and now she ended up with $10. Okay, you could even put little dollar signs in here if you want. Okay, but 13 minus 3 equals 10. Okay? All right, good job. So let's go to the next page. All right, so today I was nice. I put the circles in there for you. So when you roll, for example, don't do this one. I'm just going to show you. When you roll, so I got a 2. I'm going to write down 2. I'm going to cross off 2. And then I'm going to look and I can see that 10 take away 2 is 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? And again, there's my tens partners. 8 and 2 makes 10. So if I'm thinking 10 minus 2, I could think, well, okay, what plus 2 equals 10? Or 2 plus what equals 10? I know my tens partners. 2 and 8 makes 10. So 10 minus 2 is 8. So you can either pause the video now and finish this whole page. If you keep rolling the same number, try different ones. If you're not sure what this is, remember the dot goes on the bottom. So that's a 6. Okay, and this is a 9 because there's the dot on the bottom. That's a 9. Okay, all right, so you want to finish that up, or you can do it at the very end of the video. All right, so today we are going to look at facts that that subtract to 10. So here's what I would like you to do. I'm going to do the first one for you, or with you, and then I want you to do them on your own. Okay, so the first one says 11 minus 1. So we already have 10. So to make 11, we need to add another one, right? So 10, 11. I'm just going to draw a circle. Okay, so now I have 11, and I'm going to subtract 1. So I just added 1, now I got to take it away. And I'm left with how many? I'm still left with 10. Just like in our word problem, right? Where we had 13 take away 3, we ended up with 10. Okay? All right, so for the next one, it says 12 minus 2. You need to draw 2 circles to make it 12, and then subtract 2 and see what you get. Okay, I want you to finish this page, and there's one more page over here. All right, when you have finished that, I want you to come back to the video. But right now, you need to pause the video, okay, so that you can do your work. And then at the end, when you're done, come back and we'll finish up. Okay, I'll see you in a little bit. All right, boys and girls, so here's what you might have done, okay? Did you notice that 12 was 10 and 2 more, right? And 13 was 10 and 3 more, okay? And 14 was 10 and then 4 more. 15 was 10 and 5 more, and 16 was 10 and 6 more. So if we go back here, if 12 is 10 and 2 more, and we take away 2, well, then we're left with 10 again, right? And if 13 is 10 and 3 more, and we take away 3, so let's take them away, 1, 2, 3, you get 10 again. Okay, so you should have gotten 10 as an answer to all of yours. So 14 is 10 and 4 more, take away 4, and that also gives you 10. So anytime you take away, right? So you could say that 14, you see this 1 right here? This actually stands for 10. This is called place value. You might have learned about this before. So that 1 means you have 10 plus 4 more. If you take away 4, you end up with 10. Oh, that's my printer doing something over there. Sorry about that. Okay, so let's do the next one. Okay, and my printer is possessed. So here we have 15. The 1 and the 15 means this is 10 plus 5 more. Here's the 5. If we take away 5, well, 15 take away 5 is 10. You'll never believe what 16 take away 6 is. You already figured it out, right? 10. If I have 16 and I take away all these ones, then I have 10. I still have my 10, okay? And on the next page, you should have seen the same thing. 17 minus 7 is 10. 18 minus 8 is 10. And 19 minus 9 is 10. All right, again, because here, 17 is 10 and 7 more. We call this, right here, we call this 110 and then 7 more ones. If we take away those 7 ones, we're left with just the 110. Okay? Same here, 18 minus 8. If we take all these away, we are left with 10. Okay? There's a reason that we're doing it this way because I'm setting you up to learn a new strategy to subtract. Okay? So, and then here we have 19 minus 9. If you take all 9 away, you end up with 10. Okay? So 14 minus 4 is, that's right, 10. 13 minus 3 is, show me fingers, 10. 15 minus 5 is, right, 15 minus 5 is 10. Okay, all right. I think you're getting the handle on this. Good job. I will see you tomorrow. And if you didn't finish your previous page with the tens partner subtraction, make sure you do this. Okay, all right. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.